Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix an image on the footer Wix. So, if your footer image is misaligned, missing or not displaying properly on Wix, and this quick tutorial will help you fix it in just few minutes. So, step 1 is opening your Wix editor. Log into your Wix account, navigate to the site that you want to edit, choose select and edit site. So, here you'll have to click on edit site button and it is going to take you to this page, that is Wix editor. Now, make sure that the footer isn't locked. Click on the footer and check if lock icon appears here. If there is no icon like lock, it isn't locked. And if it's locked, click the lock to unlock it, allowing you to make edits. Now, if the image is already there, click to select it. If not, click the plus add elements button at the top left. Click on images. Now, choose any image that you have uploaded. You can also upload an image. So I just choose this image to upload. Now you can easily adjust the image size. So I just inserted this image in my footer, as you can see. You can also drag the image to your desired location inside the footer. You can use alignment tools or grid line tools by clicking on the image, clicking on settings, and you can choose what happens if someone clicks on this image. You can also add a link to this image. You can also choose what's in the image and that will be an alt text. Also, you can click on edit this image anyhow you want in the photo studio provided by Wix. You can also choose to crop it, add filters. You can also choose animation and effects and add a kind of animation to this image so that when someone comes to your footer, it opens up with that specific animation. Now you can right click on the image and choose pin to footer, and this ensures that the image stays fixed in place across every page that uses this footer. Now you can switch to a mobile view and ensure that the image looks correct on smaller screens by clicking on the switch to mobile view button just right here. Now after doing all this, click on save, click on publish, and that's it. Your image is now fixed in the Wix footer and should appear clean and consistent across all devices. Let me know in the comments if you have other questions, and I will see you in the next video.